So in this video, I'm going to show you how, with the help of Lovable AI and Make.com, we can generate a full Saas app that we can start selling, and it takes absolutely no subscriptions or cost on your end. What Lovable is basically a AI coder or an AI app where you can just give it a prompt like this, tell it the exact app or the website that you want to build, and it will go ahead and do all of the coding for you. So it takes absolutely no coding skill. And then Make.com is also a no-code app where you can link a bunch of what are called these little circle things called modules. You can link them together and you can generate an automation, which can be very useful for businesses or for apps like I'm going to show you in this video here today. The app that we are going to build is going to use Lovable to generate the app or generate the software behind it. And then we're going to connect that to Make.com, and Make.com is then going to run an automation for us. We're going to build this app for real estate agents, and it's going to generate content for them for their property listings by them just inputting a URL into the app that we build, and the app is going to generate the content for them. Make.com is going to connect to these three platforms, and it's going to connect some AIs like ChatGPT and Perplexity, and it's going to generate the content and send it back over to Lovable. The first thing we need to do is come over here to Lovable, and we need to generate a prompt. So we're going to tell Lovable exactly what we want to build, and we're going to explain the app that we want to build. So you can see here, I already have pre-written a prompt, which I just had ChatGPT write. And you can see here, we are a real estate content generation app. Project brief is this: create a sleek, professional and interactive web app that allows real estate agents to generate high quality platform specific content for property listings. The app should be visually appealing while maintaining a modern, fun aesthetic. Then we go into some details about the app: URL input field for the property listing, options to select content tone, formal, casual, fun, content generation, automatically scrape key details from the listing URL, generate customized text content suitable for LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. Then the content preview customization, show generated content for each platform, allow users to make edits before publishing, and one-click sharing. So we're going to send this over to Lovable, which is the free app. I think you get 5 free messages a day. And when we send this over to Lovable, you can see here that it is now spinning up a preview. So it's doing all of the coding in the background to generate an app for us. Now, in the meantime, while this is coding, I'm going to pop over here to Make.com. Okay, so when you come over to Make.com, you will just sign in and you will be met by a screen like this. Down here in scenarios, you will probably have no scenarios if you're new to this app, but we are going to create a scenario by clicking this button up here, but we've already created one, so we're going to use this one here, and this is how we are going to generate the content for the app that we build. Now, I'm going to leave the link in the first link in the description where you can join my free community and you can download all of these templates that I use in my videos. So here you can see we have a scenario, and this is what's going to generate the content. This first module that we have here is a webhook. A webhook is essentially a messenger. So this webhook will have its ears open and it will be waiting to receive data from the app that we are waiting on being built. So whenever this Lovable finishes building the app, we are going to tell Lovable, okay, send the data. Whenever somebody wants to generate content, send the data over to this webhook. This webhook is going to listen for that data, and then that's how this scenario will be initiated. So this is the URL that we're going to use, and this is what we're going to feed into Lovable. So we're going to just press copy on this, and when we come back over here to Lovable, we can see it's still creating the app. So in the meantime, I will say here is the webhook you will use whenever somebody wants to generate content. We are going to then just type that in, but we won't send that right now because it is still coding, as you can see here. So we'll wait for that to finish. But you can see over here, we have a first module, which is a webhook. Then the second module is a Perplexity AI create a chat completion. And if you don't know where to get all of these modules, you can just click them down here and you can see here, obviously the first one is custom webhook, where you would just put there, and then Perplexity, you can see here, create a completion. That's just how you find the webhooks. But obviously we already have them in here, so we don't have to create duplicates. Now, the next module we have is our Perplexity module, and this is going to do all of the research of the URL that the real estate agent feeds into the app that we built. The whole purpose of the app is whenever a real estate agent uploads a new listing, they always have to generate content for that listing for Instagram, Facebook, and real estate. What we're going to do with this app is they could just put their URL into the app and the app is going to generate the content for them. What we need Perplexity to do is whenever the user puts in that URL, Perplexity is going to do the research on that URL. So what you can see in here, we say to Perplexity, you are an expert property researcher tasked with researching the local area and amenities of this property URL. And then we give it the URL that Lovable sent over to this webhook. We can see down here, then we say the research you do will be used to craft a social media post for the property. So output all of the key benefits of this property, i.e. beds, baths, size, area, etc. in a neat and detailed format. So Perplexity will go away, do all of the research on that property, and then we have a Claude module over here, which is create a prompt module. Again, you can just go down here, search in Claude, click Claude and create a prompt. But we have that here. So if we click in here, we can see in Claude, we tell Claude, use the research provided, so the research that we get from Perplexity. It says use the research provided to create a content post for a real estate agent's social media. Generate posts specifically for Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Format your output strictly as JSON with no additional text before or after. The structure must be as follows, and we give it this very simple JSON structure. Now, do not worry if you don't know what this means. You don't have to know what it means. This is just what we are going to send over to Lovable to make it easier for Lovable to understand what it's receiving. Again, the template is below, so you don't actually have to know how to write this. You'll be able to just download everything below. But if you don't want to download the template, then just screenshot this screen and type this in. So this is how we tell Claude to output the details or output the social media content whenever it's finished, and it should output it like this. So we can feed it back to the webhook, which will send it back to Lovable. We have some guidelines down here for Claude when it's generating the content, and the first one being use platform specific language and tone appropriate for each social media channel. Second, focus on engaging information and visually appealing content. And then the third, do not include any text outputs other than the JSON format. So ideally, when Claude finishes generating the content, it will output this, and in here, instead of content here, it will have the content for the real estate agent to post to their social media. Then the next module we have is a webhook response module, which again, go down here, click webhook and click webhook response. And in this response module, then we just have the Claude output here, which is going to output that JSON format that we built. If we go back, so that's basically the full scenario finished. Lovable will send information to this webhook over here. This webhook will wait and listen for information. If we come back over here to the app, you can see here that the app is now ready to use. So it generated all of this for us completely on its own. Transform your property listings into social media gold. One URL, multiple social posts, save hours on content creation with AI powered content generator especially designed for real estate professionals. And we basically built a full app in one prompt. Now obviously you can tweak this by continuing to chat down here, but for the sake of this video we are going to say that this is fine. Now if we go down here, generate your content, if we go down here and we say this is the webhook you will use whenever somebody wants to generate content, if we send this message off now what Lovable will do is whenever somebody puts in a URL here to a property and they click generate content, it's going to send it to that webhook that we've built in Make. Now to show you kind of how it works, a real estate agent might go over here to their Zoopla account, and whenever they post a new property listing, let's say it's in London, they might go in here and they will get this URL and bring it over to the app, which they will put in this section here, and they will click generate content. That URL is the one that Make will receive over here in the webhook, and that's how it's going to generate the content for that website. Now we're going to wait for this Lovable to finish editing this so it's ready to send the content to the webhook, and we have to send Lovable one more prompt so Lovable will understand this is the format in which it will receive the content from make.com. So you can see here, I've integrated the make.com webhook into your content generation. Now, whenever somebody generates content or attempts to share it, the app will automatically send data to your specified webhook URL. Now, we can test this to see if it's working by doing this. We can click run this module. And if we now send over any random link, we can get this one from Zoopla, bring it back over here and paste it into here. And we press generate content. If we come over here to make.com, we should have received the value. So you can see here we have received the URL which the user is trying to generate the content for. So we can now use that over here in Perplexity to give it the URL. So you can see here, whenever this webhook receives the information, it's going to use the URL here to generate the content. Now we just need to tell Lovable how it's going to receive the content back whenever this automation has finished. So we're going to go down here and we're going to copy and paste this, bring it back over to Lovable, and we're going to say here is how you will receive the content from the webhook, and we'll paste that in here, and we're going to say do not display false content, always wait for the webhook. Now what we're doing here is we're telling it this is how you're going to receive the content, and we're making sure it doesn't display fake content, because sometimes the webhook might fail or it might not work, and what Lovable tends to do is then show fake content. So now Lovable is looking at this request and it's going to be able to receive this in a moment. Okay, so now that Lovable is ready to accept the content that we will receive over here, so you can see again the JSON, and the Lovable says that I've updated the content generator component to wait for the webhook response before displaying the content. So Lovable has inputted this into the app, and we can now test to see if this app works. So if we click this preview button up here, it will take us to a full preview of the app, which you can see up here is called Property Post Pal, and we can now test this out to see if it works. So if I come over here and we go back over to Zoopla, grab the URL of this listing, bring it over and paste it into here, and before we try and generate that content, we will just run this make scenario so it's listening and it's ready to receive the URL. Now if we press generate content, if we come back over here to make.com, you can see it has started to run now. So it's received the URL from the app and it's now generating the content. So it's done the research. Claude will then generate the content and send it back over to the webhook, which we will receive then back over here. And you can see now that the content generated by Claude is now inputted into these little property cards here, which the real estate agent can use as their content. So you can see here the Facebook one, then you can see Instagram over here, and it generates the content for the specific platform that it will go on. So there we've just built a full app in a matter of minutes, and you can see the full system has been built without us using any code whatsoever. You can just press this button here to copy that text in here. You can also share it to Instagram, but you can see down here the share feature is only available on the pro version. Lovable has also added in a pricing structure here, so this app is basically ready to go out of the box. If you just come over to Lovable and connect your Stripe payments to it, then you can launch this app and essentially start receiving money straight away. You can see how easy it is to get an app up and running. You can see down here, it creates all of the navigation for you and everything is completely done. We have up here a pricing plan, how it works, and features and everything to do with this app. So the whole app has been built. All of the templates are below, so you can download everything without you actually having to build it. But this was just a quick video to show you how quick you can build an app. And if you spent a little bit more time on this, how intricate you could get and how much of a full app you could build to start selling and start making your first bit of money online.